Hello everyone, here I've got Alfa Romeo from the brand Rhino model. Very good brand in my opinion. Vehicle, I don't think it's licensed, but the quality is very good. Here we got barcode and article number, the logo of Rhino models, and here a drawing of the car that is inside. Comes in a display case. Alfa Romeo GT V6 in a white color. Are there any other colors? Yes. There's also a green and a red one. But today I'm showing you the white version. And I believe it also has an opening part, detailed interior, rubber tires, and I hope metal base. But I see another interesting detail, the license plate. Okay, let's take it off the base and see how it looks from close by. Yes, metal base. And good rolling wheels, especially the back. Front, not that super good. And it also is possible that you have a model where the back wheels also doesn't roll that good. Very good interior details. As you can see, color details. Yeah, I like that. Can we open it a little bit more? No. That is cool, right? Very well done. Also nice interior, side mirrors, sunroof, hardtop. Also like the rims, no brake disc, brake claw, but that's not necessary with these kind of rims. Alfa Romeo logo, Haggerty on the window. And what does it say? The small letters Alfa Romeo G and then 25. It's difficult to see. Yeah, and a metal base. So for me, this is an absolute winner. I think it's a very cool car with the opening part, rubber tires, metal base, good interior, and a license plate. Definitely a must-have. You want to see the green one? Well, it's the same. See? This one opens a little bit further. Yeah. Love it. Perfect. Which one is your favorite? White, green, or red? Oh, this red one is also very beautiful. Wowie. Do they all have the same license plate? K-I-Z-A. Yep, they do. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share. Click, click, click. Have a very good day. Bye.